today we are going to be making a chocolate chip cookie skillet, and I actually don't even own a skillet, so you guys are gonna see how we can make this. Hi guys, today we are going to be making a chocolate chip cookie skillet, and I actually don't even own a skillet, so you guys are gonna see how we can make this without actually using a skillet. So yeah, I am gonna talk you guys through the ingredients first. So let's get started. This is 1 cup of melted butter. This is 1 cup of brown sugar. This is half a cup of sugar, like normal white sugar, which is powdered. And then we've got 2 eggs. Right there we have got 2 cups and 2 tablespoons of flour, and in this I'm gonna add in half a teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. So I'm gonna add all of that in and then give it like a thorough mix. We want to get that baking soda completely combined. So yeah, just gonna do that. All done. And then we have got chocolate. So yeah, I'm using a couple of different types of chocolate. I've got Calibet, I've got some chocolate chips, and I'm also going to be using some Hershey's chocolate in the end. So I've got these Hershey's chocolate chips. They're huge. I'm going to be adding these on top. So yeah, that's basically the ingredients. So let's get started. So in our melted butter, I'm just going to add in both of the sugars. So that's all the brown sugar, and then that's going to be all the white sugar. Oh, kind of stuck. Wait. So I'm just gonna add in both of the sugars, and I'm gonna give this a thorough mix. There we go. If you're both of the eggs now, and then I'm gonna mix until just combine. There's absolutely no need to over mix at all. Just mix until your eggs are combined. That's it. So the eggs have been mixed in and the consistency is like super elastic, and yeah, that's basically it. Now we're just gonna add in our flour that already has salt and baking powder in it. Just gonna throw all that in there, and again I'm just gonna mix this until it's just combined. There's no need to overmix, and I'm gonna be super gentle with it. And so mixed in all the flour. This is the final consistency. As you can see, it's like a very thick mixture, and that's exactly how it's supposed to be. So I'm just gonna add in the chocolate, and you can add as much as you want. So I'm just gonna see how much I need, and then I'm gonna kind of go with the flow. So that looks good right now, and I'm just gonna mix this in gently and then see if I feel like it needs more chocolate, then I'll just. So I did add some more, but as you can see, I still have quite a bit of chocolate left. So I'm just going to use that on top. And now this is like the final consistency that I've got. Super thick and rich with chocolate. And now I'm going to get out my pan and show you guys how to actually make this without using a skillet. So let's do that. So here is my secret. I'm actually just gonna use a pizza pan, and you can literally find a pizza pan like this anywhere. If you're in Lahore or Islamabad, then I got this from Al Fatah. If you're from Multan, I've literally seen these in KK Mart, at Chezab. Super easy to find. They're called a pizza pan, and I think it's gonna work perfectly fine. So what I'm gonna do is I am gonna grab a bit of butter, and I'm basically just gonna rub that butter on the bottom of the skillet, and that's just so like the bottom doesn't, I don't know, burn and it doesn't stick. So that's what I'm going for. I'm just gonna spread that evenly. You can also just use your fingers if you don't mind having messy hands. But yeah, all done, and now I'm just gonna put that in there. Okay, so I have poured all of the cookie dough into this pan, and now I'm just gonna use all of this chocolate and just kind of put it on top and make it look a bit nice. You can literally use any chocolate that you want. You can go for Hershey's, you can go for Cadbury, you can just any chocolate works. You can use Lindt. I mean, I was thinking of using Lindt, but I just love my Calibut chocolate so much that I just end up using that in literally everything. So yeah, I'm just gonna do this and be right back.